Hello and welcome back to our big barn in southern Sweden where we are building a big recording studio. It's been a bit of a weird week. I've been jumping around between different things, mixing a record for somebody for a couple of days, finishing off most of the trim in the control room, looking very, very beautiful. All the black oak, really, really sweet. Megan has been here from Vermont in America. She's mainly been working on the greenhouse, trying to finish off the gable ends. The weather's not so good today, so we probably won't get the roof on this week, but it's very, very close now, the greenhouse. Elsa has been doing a lot of gold paint, as you can see behind me on this Aztec stuff, this conduit snaking around the live room. Today we are going to try and put in the heat pumps, at least in the control room and in the booth, the kind of air conditioning wall mounted cooler and heater unit things. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Also, yesterday all of the audio cables arrived from Switzerland, which is also very exciting. So that's going to be next week's video, I think, is me starting all the audio wiring in this place. Anyway, please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's see what happens today. What's happening is I'm going to find the center of this. To know that they fit, but that's good. That looks pretty good. All right, so this is one of the two coolant pipes, and we have a drain pipe as well. So we have 3 pipes and an electrical cable which we need to run in this conduit here, and then we run it behind there, and then we can put the bass trap in, and then we can finish off this corner, and then this is done. So yeah, basically we can just run the pipes where they need to go, and then we can cover it all up. Same story here. Same over there. Pim's amazing. Here's Megan. We're going to be working out how to do this pipe. So it's kind of, it's like stiff copper pipe hidden inside a little sleeve. We have to get this, I think, up through, all the way through, out through the wall outside.
Do you want to unwind it first?
Okay, how do we do this? We've got to go down here, through that hole there, and then turn again 90 degrees outside and then down. So what makes the best sense here? We could put this straight outside from the blob, and then we could start at the other end of this thing and come this way, and then
So just leave enough outside so we know we have enough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. What's the worst that can happen? So should we now feed this through into the studio? Okay. So this is Troy. Troy's just arrived. You're visiting your wife's brother in Copenhagen.
And her family. She has a couple, three brothers, and her mother and stepfather. And so, we're spending 3 weeks in Copenhagen, but heard about the project here and wanted to come check it out.
Cool.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
welcome. This is
Thank you.
In slightly skeletal form.
Yeah.
I guess.
But wonderful.
But yeah, Megan is currently feeding through heat pump coolant pipe, which we don't actually know how much you can bend it before it
Before it
goes wrong.
Yeah.
Sorry to do this.
This will be the live room. Oh,
Yeah,
it's gonna
yeah.
be beautiful. So you must have obviously redone most of the ceiling, but with some of this original.
Yeah, this is original, but yeah, everything else apart from these struts and the big beams in the roof is new. Like this, we put in this new cladding on the ceiling and then sort of built the roof out 30 centimeters of insulation and then yeah, the walls like up like 50 centimeters with an air gap on the walls. Yeah. There's not so much noise around here. There's just these little planes because there's a little airfield just over there.
I thought I saw a plane
Yeah.
when we were coming around one of the turns. I was like, am I seeing a plane? So I'm working with my friend Kenny Tudrick, and he has the Black River House studio. It's in a town called Croswell, Michigan, which is about an hour and a half north of Detroit. And he has an older home. He has the control room upstairs in one of the rooms of the home, and everything's run down to the basement. And for a live room also, like you have here. So he
Yeah.
has everything set up. He has drum mics. He has, any amp you might need to use, and, guitars, basses. He has.
Tell him if he can send some pictures or put them in Sunday's video that I can.
Oh yeah, I have some. I can give them to you. Yeah.
that'd be cool.
So he was really excited when I said I'm going to come up and see the place because he's been following me for so long. So it'll be nice that if I can share some of the pictures with you.
Yeah.
He sees those on there.
Yeah, I'll put them in the video.
He'll be tickled.
Do the longer one first. It's easier in the end now because it's long enough there, right?
Almost. Maybe another 6 inches. Just gotta get it behind the plate.
Come on, put it again.
Yep.
All right, that is all of those bloody pipes in. What a total mission that was. But yes, we have heating pipes in the walls, all snaking through, snaking into the live room. Two coming out there. Going to build a nice little box on the wall, which will go across to there, wherever it'll be, above the door somewhere. Yeah. Megan, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I stink. Maybe we both stink. We've been working our asses off. No, I stink. No, you don't stink.
No, it definitely.
Yeah, thanks very much.
Anytime.
Sorry we didn't get to finish the roof of the greenhouse.
I'll be
but
back.
Yeah, we'll save it for you. For
Yeah.
December. We'll do it in December.
Yes, definitely.
Cool. All right. Well, there you go. That was yet another piece of the puzzle complete. Next week is going to be pretty good fun, I think, or it might be a nightmare. I've got to put in the audio cables under the floor. Eric has just lent me his long snake to to put in the conduit in the floor, which will hopefully enable us to do that. But yeah, I think we're going to need a lot of lube and stuff to get these cables through. So yeah, tune in next week if you want to see that kind of thing. Otherwise, thanks to all of our members, and thanks to you for tuning in. So yeah, I will see you again next week. Lots of love, look after each other, and goodbye.